Have you ever worn a colored shirt and feel like your whole face is glowing, then tried another and your face look tired and dull? That is not your imagination. That is your color tone reacting. And today, I'm going to help you find yours. Hi, and welcome back to my series Learn Makeup from the Scratch with me. After knowing your face shape, skin tone, skin type, and undertone, the next step to note before applying makeup to your face is knowing your tone under color analysis. But if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Esther Esse, a Lagos based model, makeup artist, and content creator. Your go to girly for all things beauty, fashion, and inspiration. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello Australians, welcome back to this series. I'm so excited and happy to have you here again. Before you start picking makeup, clothes, or even jewelries, there's one thing that changes everything, and that is understanding your color tone. This is not just your skin tone, it is deeper. It is how your natural features work together and what colors bring them to life. First, what is color analysis? Color analysis is based on something called the seasonal theory. And no, it is not about the weather. It is how your skin undertone, eye color, and hair color creates a natural harmony that matches with your seasonal color palette. There are four main categories, which are the spring, the summer, the autumn, and the winter. Each of these seasons has its own color palette shade that makes your eye pop, your skin glow, and also makes your makeup look 10 times better. How to find your tone using color analysis. To know your tone, you need to pay attention to these three things. First, your undertone. If you don't know your undertone, I have made a video on that, link in the description box. Two, your eye color. Is it a light or dark shade? Three, your hair color. Is it golden? Is it brown? Is it black? Is it harsh? If you are warm with light or soft features, you are most probably a spring. If you have deep or dark features, then you're autumn. If you're cool with soft or light features, then you are summer. But if you have darker features or bold contrasts, then you are a winter. Trust me, knowing this is as important as knowing your lipstick and lip gloss in makeup. It's the foundation of every makeup. It not only makes you glow naturally, but also changes everything about your style. So if you're looking to get a new style or being that hit girl you have always wanted to be, then you need to start from this video. It's not about applying makeup on your face without knowing who you are firsthand. So in the next video, I'm going to help you explore your specific color palette and how you can use it with ease to slay your makeup and style choice. But for now, grab a mirror, take a few colored top or scarf, and pay attention to what makes your features shine the most. That is your color tone talking to you. Do not worry if you cannot find your color tone, because that is what I'm here for. And we have come to the end of finding your color tone part 1. Stay put for part 2. Don't forget to follow me across all social media platforms for easy access. I have all that link down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. And as usual, shine bright.